Take a ride on the Reading, hop aboard the B&O. Maybe take the short line, depends where you want to go. Stroll on down the boardwalk, go shopping at Park Place. It's guaranteed to put a big ol' smile upon your face. Marvin Garden sure is nice, especially in the fall. But if you have a few more dollars, you might want to see it all. Because just around the corner, everything is green. Pennsylvania Avenue, beautiful Atlantic City. Give me all your money, mortgage your